In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create a blog post using ChatGPT. So the first thing we want to do is get it to produce some title ideas for us. So we write in here, see, write me, I'm going to actually change that to 10. 10 different catchy titles for the keyword term "Are online businesses successful?" So choose your topic or what you want to create a blog about, and then ask ChatGPT to produce you some titles. So let's press send. And what it's doing now is it will produce 10 titles, and then you can go through these titles and pick one that you like, one that's relevant to the article you want to write. Okay. Let's go with this first one. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to ask it to produce this blog in British English, and I'm going to let it know my target audience is small businesses and entrepreneurs. The more information you give, the better the response will be. I'm going to ask for a friendly, soft tone. Okay, so it's just letting me know it understands my request and if there's anything else I want to say. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask to write a blog outline. And this will give us the structure of what the blog will be about. I wanted to know the topic. I didn't pick a title. Okay, here's an outline for the blog, and it will produce the introduction, some different sections, and it will produce the conclusion. But this isn't enough for a blog piece in itself. So what we need to do is go back and ask to expand on each one of these sections. So the first thing we'll do is we'll ask to write a section, write the introduction for us. Just wait for it to finish writing its outline. Okay, write me a blog introduction. As you can see, this was the first one in the outline. So what it's going to do now is expand on this. And what you can see here is it's given us the full introduction. And then we can go through each section and ask for it to expand on the section. Here you go. Write a section about online business success stories. And what it will do here is then write the next section. So go through and ask it to write each section. You can copy and paste this text straight into your website, or put it in a Google Documents to then review and edit afterwards, whichever way works best for you. And then the final thing you want to write is a conclusion. And this will conclude everything that it's pulled above. It will write a conclusion about the blog article. And great, so this will be the full blog for you. Go through it. You can check the content in tools like writer.com, Quillbot, and that will give you sort of scores on how good the text is, and then you can make some changes. Other things you probably want to do here is maybe write a meta description for your SEO. What it's going to do here is create a short meta description. I can see straight away this I want it to be shorter, so I might just edit this and say under 160 characters. It's going to rewrite this for me and give me a shorter version. There you go. Next, you might want to write a Facebook post. Got it here, and we might want to say, I've got some prompts here that I use. Write a Facebook post, use emojis. And then you can use this to repurpose once the blog's live. You can get this straight on your social media. Okay, what we could then do is say, edit this and add some hashtags. And there we have it. So now we have the full blog article. We've got some posts for social that we can use, and we've done this in less than 10 minutes. It's brilliant.